Brazil is one of those places that gets under your skin the moment you arrive. The colors are brighter, the music is louder, and the energy of the people pulls you in like a tide. This 8-day Intrepid adventure through Rio de Janeiro, Paraty, and Ilha Grande is not just a trip. It is a full sensory immersion into one of the most breathtaking corners of South America. From the iconic skyline of Rio to the colonial cobblestones of Paraty and the untouched waters of Ilha Grande, every single day delivers something extraordinary. Whether you are a first-time traveler or seasoned explorer, this route is designed to show you the very best Brazil has to offer without missing a beat. Your adventure kicks off in Rio de Janeiro, a city that needs no introduction but always manages to exceed expectations. The first couple of days are dedicated to soaking in the rhythm of this legendary city. You will ride the famous cable car up to Sugarloaf Mountain, where panoramic views of the city, the bay, and the Atlantic Ocean stretch endlessly before you. A visit to the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue atop Corcovado Mountain is nothing short of humbling. Standing at the feet of that towering figure with the entire city laid out below is a moment that stays with you long after you leave. Beyond the landmarks, Rio invites you to slow down. Stroll along the famous Copacabana and Ipanema beaches, sip fresh coconut water from a street vendor, and watch the city come alive as the sun dips below the horizon. The neighborhoods of Santa Teresa and Lapa offer a more local side of Rio, with vibrant street art, samba bars, and a creative energy that reflects the true soul of the city. Leaving Rio behind, the journey continues southwest along the stunning Costa Verde, which translates to Green Coast, a stretch of coastline so lush and dramatic it looks almost unreal. The drive itself is a visual feast, with dense Atlantic rainforest tumbling down toward turquoise bays. Your destination is Paraty, a beautifully preserved colonial town that feels like stepping back in time. The historic center is entirely pedestrianized, with uneven stone streets, whitewashed buildings, and colorful window frames that have remained largely unchanged since the 18th century. Paraty was once a major port for the export of gold and later became a hub for the famous Brazilian spirit known as cachaça. Today it is a place where history, culture, and natural beauty exist in perfect harmony. You will have time to explore the local markets, sample fresh seafood by the waterfront, and take a boat trip through the surrounding bay dotted with dozens of small islands and hidden beaches. The atmosphere here is unhurried and deeply charming, a welcome contrast to the electric pace of Rio. The final chapter of this adventure takes you to Ilha Grande, an island that represents Brazil at its most pristine. Reachable only by boat, Ilha Grande has no cars, no roads for vehicles, and no mass tourism infrastructure, just dense jungle, crystal clear water, and some of the most beautiful beaches in the entire country. Lopes Mendes Beach is widely considered one of the finest beaches in Brazil, with powdery white sand and water so clear it looks like glass. You can hike through the Atlantic forest, snorkel among colorful marine life, or simply find a quiet spot on the shore and let the world slow to a stop. The island carries a fascinating and somewhat dark history. It was once home to a notorious prison, the ruins of which still stand today as a reminder of a very different past. But today, Ilha Grande is a place of peace, beauty, and genuine escape. Evenings are spent in the small village of Vila do Abrão, where open-air restaurants serve fresh fish and cold caipirinhas as the stars emerge over the bay. This 8-day journey through Rio, Paraty, and Ilha Grande captures the full spectrum of what makes Brazil so unforgettable: its wildness, its warmth, and its extraordinary beauty.